Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another banging video. Okay, stay tuned. Yes guys, we're back. Okay, so right now we are about to do some breadfruit fries and then just a little bit of porridge to go with it. As you can see, these are the ingredients that I used to season the breadfruit after chopping it into fries size bites. Okay, right, we all make mistakes. So as you can see, I'm chopping the breadfruit into fry size. Okay, so we're gonna cut it in half and then go back again and cut it again, and make sure that it's literally thick, just like how you would cut up potatoes in order to make fries. All right, thank you. So here again, I'm about to show you how I did it. As you can see, cut it thick. Alright, and then after we cut it thick, then we're gonna go over it and then go over again into cutting it into fries size. Okay, alright.
You are my African queen. Ooh,
Okay, so now we're getting ready to season. Alright, as you can see, I'm putting in some cayenne pepper. Alright, cayenne pepper. Then we're going to go in with our bohayo, which is something like salt. Okay, so if you have bohayo, you could use salt also, just a little bit. And then we're going to use our curry powder. That's what that will give the fries a little color and a little more taste to it. And trust me guys, you make your breadfruit fries like this and trust me, you'll never go back to eating breadfruit like this. Now we're going to add in some parsley flakes. Okay, and then to add in our parsley flakes, we are going to add in some Creole seasoning. All right, okay, and as I said, you could flavor it up with anything that you choose to, but that is what I usually use. And then we're shaking it up and then we're gonna put it into the frying pan to fry afterwards. Okay, see, watch that, watch nicely, watch that. So as you can see, we're finally done. As you can see, watch that. People, let me tell you something. That was very nice. As you can see, for our little garnish, we added a little bit of the parsley flakes. Alright, just to give it that garnish treatment. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please stay tuned to more banging videos to come. Yeah, let's keep it going, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for bigger, better videos to come. Now, as you could see, I added how to porridge with it, and that was my dinner. Okay, thank you guys.